Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make meringue in the microwave. First, separate 2 egg whites into a clean, grease-free bowl. Add a pinch of cream of tartar to stabilize the whites. Using an electric mixer, beat the egg whites on medium speed until they become foamy. Gradually add 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time, continuing to beat until stiff, glossy peaks form. This process ensures a stable meringue base. Once your egg whites and sugar are combined, continue beating until the mixture is thick and holds its shape, forming stiff, glossy peaks. This is crucial for the meringue's texture. Now, you can add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a classic flavor. If you're feeling creative, a few drops of food coloring can transform your meringue into a vibrant treat. Gently fold in any flavorings or colors to maintain the airy consistency. Now it's time to shape your meringue. Transfer the mixture into a piping bag fitted with your favorite nozzle. Pipe small, uniform meringue kisses onto a microwave-safe plate lined with parchment paper. Place the plate in the microwave and cook on high for 30 to 60 seconds. Watch them closely, as cooking times vary. The meringues should be firm to the touch. Let them cool completely to achieve that perfect crisp texture. Once your microwave meringues are completely cooled and crisp, store them in an airtight container at room temperature. They will stay fresh for up to 3 days, perfect for a quick sweet treat. These delightful, airy meringues are wonderful on their own, or you can use them as a beautiful garnish for desserts like fruit tarts or ice cream. For more great deals and to check out the Owala water bottle, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Enjoy your homemade meringue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.